Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, which is part of our Photoshop tutorial series, we're going to show you how to change the color of clothing. Make sure to follow the video carefully and go through the steps one by one. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Let's go. From the toolbar, select the Object Selection tool. In the Layers panel, select your image layer. Then click on the subject and select the clothing area. Once you've selected the clothing, press Ctrl+J to create a new layer containing only the selected clothing. Go to the Layers panel and duplicate the newly created clothing layer. Select the first layer. Click on the designated option in the video and choose Multiply from the drop-down list. Click on the duplicated layer. Then at the bottom, click on the option shown in the video and choose Solid Color from the list. Select your desired color from the color picker. For example, I'm choosing red, then click OK. Right-click on the duplicated layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Now, select the same layer again, go to the menu shown in the video and choose Lighten. Finally, select the first layer. Go to the bottom menu as shown in the video and choose Levels. Now, by adjusting the sliders in the Levels panel, you can fine-tune the clothing color. That's it for this tutorial. Let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments. Good luck!